This is a film to show and explain to you the reasons for and impacts of international migration. I hope you will learn and understand the whole theory and reason behind international migration. So why migrate? The key terms used by geographers to describe the reasons for and against migration are called push and pull factors. Quite simply, it means that any negative reason or reason against the move abroad is a push factor, because it pushes people away from moving there. So any positive reason for migrating to that specific country is called a pull factor, attracting the migrant towards the country. International migration can have massive effects on the destination country, the country the migrant moves to, and can affect the country the migrant used to live in, the country of origin. These effects can either be positive or negative. For the country of origin, some positive effects are experienced. These include an increase in the economy because the immigrant sends money back home from the destination country. Therefore, when the money leaves the destination country, this country's economy is weakened, a disadvantage for the destination country. However, the destination country suffers a lot greater than the origin country, mainly because immigrants find it hard to find accommodation and hard to fit in. This leads to increase in house prices, and social services use more time dealing with immigrants than with people of their own country. Too many immigrants can be seen as a burden too, because schools with many immigrants are under pressure from the parents because they think teachers spend too long with pupils whose first language isn't English. The destination country does benefit though, because many immigrants do labour jobs, so immigrants bring labour and skills and boost the economy of the immigrant's country. When considering migration to the EU, there are two types of migration. The first is moving between countries within the European Union. The UK alone received 600,000 Eastern European migrants between 2004 and 2006, 447,000 of which were Polish. This is a benefit for the destination country because the migrants have to pay taxes but use the destination country's healthcare, etc., so this burdens the destination's economy. However, some people resent them as they are stealing UK jobs, making it harder to find jobs for others. The other type of migration in the EU is when migrants come from outside the EU into it. Europe is currently receiving 2 million immigrants per year, more than any other world region. More and more migrants are immigrating into the EU, with some skilled and some unskilled labourers. It is becoming more and more common because travel is becoming cheaper. The level of immigration to the EU is likely to rise further, even though many countries would like it to fall. But the fact is, most European countries need immigrants because of a falling birth rate and a resulting lack of workers. However, people still see immigrants as a problem rather than an opportunity. Some people migrate to a different country because they are at a risk if they stay in their own country. When these migrants arrive at their destination country, they are called asylum seekers. The most common reason for this migration is war, but it can also be caused of famine or drought. However, sometimes economic migrants, for those who migrate because they are in a poor economic situation, are looking for work and money, claim to be asylum seekers, but are not. 1/3 of refugees claim to be asylum seekers. This angers many people, leading to strong feelings by many. The number of asylum seekers will probably fall due to the nearing of the end of the wars.